Hello everyone. My name is Padarbin. I'm going to give you a very nice video about IELTS. And today we are going to learn most of best vital ideas about IELTS. So here I have planned to give you the best note about word formation. Yes, remember it. Once again, I repeat the word formation. How you can understand the vocabulary, which is really going to help you to make your paraphrasing, and you can really use in your IELTS writing. So it's really going to help you for your paraphrases, and also you can improve your alternative way of writing. So this is a very important area and we should not ignore this part, because these paraphrases is really going to give you best ideas about it. So now here you notice in English grammar especially we have contain words, right? Contain words. So what are the contain words we have? Let me rewrite. Let me do typing mistakes. Okay, contain words. In contain words you need to understand that we have specific ideas where we are going to learn more about nouns, right? This is one of the contain words. Then we have adjectives, right? Then we have main words, which are your action words. Then we have adverbs. So these are our contain words, and we need to pay full attention to the contain words to understand English communication better. So what we need to do today, I would like to give you the formation of verbs from to noun. Let's start with this one. This is going to be the best lesson for you. So today we are going to start with formation of formation of verbs. Remember it, verbs from noun. It means how you can create nouns, how you can create nouns from verb, the formation of verb from nouns. So we can learn this technique is really going to help you if you're writing any of the things. So you can stop your repetitive words, and you can introduce different kind of vocabulary. You can introduce synonyms, you can introduce alternative way of writing with the, you can change grammatical section with a different vocabulary. So when you are going to represent your paraphrasing skill in IELTS, this trick is really going to help you. So what we need to understand here, let's understand one part, that's act. Let's act, okay? Consider act as a noun. So if it is act, so this act is going to be implemented, okay? So here the verb form is enact. For example here, so enact is your verb, V for verb. So understand this small idea I shared with you, how act became verb, and from act we can create enact. So in that way we are going to learn the best part of how we can create best part of formation of verbs from noun. So I would like to put two tables here so that we can really specifically go by this process, and we can generate a lot of ideas. Okay, so here is your nouns, right? And another box is your verb. All right, so in this way we are going to learn more about these things. Okay, now focus. The first part that we as already have given you the ideas. You might have heard about advice. ADVICE is your noun form, ADVISE is your verb form, right? So notice that there is another word is apology. Okay, APOLOGY, apology. Fine. As we understand, our uh, spelling also is very important in IELTS. So we need to go for the verb. What is the verb of apology? Apologize. So spelling is APOLOGIZE. Apologize, right? Another form we can go for bath, bath, bath. Bath is our noun form, and the verb is bathe, bathe, is bathe. So here, beauty, beauty, beauty. What is the verb of beauty? Can you guess? Beautify. Okay, beautify. So supposing that you are writing something, this condition has a lot of beauty. So in another way, you can write the ideas must be beautified. So if you know the verb and noun, so you can really play with your vocabulary and you can introduce beautiful word formation. And this is very important sections how where we really should focus on. Belief, must be aware of it. It's a belief. The verb is believe. Okay. B E Believe, believe, right? Okay. Another word is, let's go for blood. Okay, blood is noun. What's a verb? Bleed. Okay. Now, this is the one idea that I share with you. We will continue this one in another slide. Let me change. Fine. So here, I would like to give two more table so we can focus on. This is your noun, right? And another one is verbs. Okay. Let me put them into the center. Fine. Okay. Then we can go by here. So let's go by more camp, camp. The verb would be, yes, encamp, and camp. So now what exactly I'm doing over here, let me give you a brief idea about one formula that you can apply here. Formula is the ending. Okay, endings, the ending, the endings, okay, is en, or it is ify, or ending ies, okay, and ending iz. Remember it. So can be added to many nouns, form verbs, to form words like this, like this one. Some examples I'm giving you: strength, okay, strength, strength. This is a noun, and when we want to make it, the words here ends with en. Okay, I mean here strength, one word. Okay, ending is en, and we can make it verb. This is noun, but here we have to end the words with en form. So here we can write strength, and we have to end with en form. So this has become verb. So this is the best idea when you put en, ify, ies, and ize, and that you can add on in the nouns and create verb forms. These are tricks I wanted to share with you. Like you can notice class, okay, and here you can go for classify, classify. Another example I'm giving you here. Let's go patron, 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 patronize, patronize, patronize. Okay, there's a trick I wanted to share with you. Hope this really going to help you better, and I know that you can really use this kind of tricks and you can improve your communication skill, and you can improve your word formation for IELTS. Okay, so let's go by this one. Let me put it here. Let me take it up here. Fine. Hope you can really understand these techniques and you can apply for word formation. Let's go for more about it. Idol, idol, idol. Okay, so here, can you guess? Idolize, idol. Okay, idolize, idolize, right? Okay, loan, and some of the irregular form, loan, and here we can go for the verb of lend, loan, and the best verb from loan, sorry, this loan, this is loan, land. All right. Okay, so if it is your memory, MEMORY, memory. So sorry, wrong typing. Okay, okay, MEMORY, memory. Fine. Here we can say memorize, MEMORIZE, memorize. All right. And naturalize, right? And there are some irregular form like sail. The verb is sell. All right. Okay. Then roll. If it is noun, the verb is enroll, right? And roll. Okay. And power, power. And here we can go for empower, correct? Okay. We can go for empower, EMPOWER, empower. All right. Then claim, CLAIM, claim. We can say acclaim, ACCLAIM, acclaim. Right? Hope you are really learning and getting ideas. Cloth, CLOTH, clothe. Right? So CLOTHE, clothe. All right. Like due and be due. Okay, due. Here we can say be due. All right. And here we can say example, EXAMPLE, example. Here we can make exemplify, EXAMPLIFY, exemplify. So here we can go for food. The oh sorry, a bit of okay, typing mistakes. EXE, fine. EX here would be not A, EXEMPLIFY. This is the correct spelling. All right. Okay. So here you notice feed, food, and here would be the feed. So this is what the beauty of this one, and I'm gonna give you a lot of ideas about it, and but this is the small idea that I have shared with you. But I would like to create another video on this part where you can really learn how to create word formation. And remember one thing, word formation is the best resource where you can really learn and improve your vocabulary. In IELTS, okay, what happened exactly in IELTS? Okay, remember it. So at the time of writing, so you need to make your best of paraphrasing skills. Okay, so paraphrases. The best part to create paraphrases in 3 ways. Remember it. This is the beautiful tricks that you can go by. One, by synonyms. You can change the synonyms and you can create it. Number two is by word formation. You can form different words. And number three is by grammatical structures. You can create different grammar and you can introduce the structures. So in this way you can beautify and you can understand the paraphrasing skills. So remember one thing, IELTS is all about the synonyms, and you can find synonymous statements. So you need to focus on this part so that you can really improve your communication better. And remember, to improve vocabulary, we need contain words. So work more on nouns, which are highly recommended. Work more on adjectives, recommended. And your verb forms, okay, and adverbs. You focus on these all things. These things is really going to help you. Adverbs, okay, yes. So now I want you to pay attention on this part. And remember one thing, the most important factor over here is you should learn the spelling tricks. Okay, uh, spelling tricks, and always remember about whenever you go for the word, when you learn the new words, words with pronunciation. So don't learn single words. You need to give attention to the pronunciation. What more part you can do over here? Let me draw your attention here. That is collocation. We have created many videos on collocation. You can really search and watch. And collocation is the words togetherness. It's really going to help you to frame your or introduce your word formation, and beautifully you can introduce your vocabulary is all about your lexical resources. So here when in IELTS it talks about LR, so LR is very important. It shows your lexical resources, and I want you to stay focused on the LR part, your lexical resource. So you need to go by this approach and techniques. I am also planning to create another videos on formation of nouns from verbs. Okay, and also I'll give you more ideas on how you can create adjective from nouns and noun from adjective, and you can improve your word formation. So this is a small idea. I wanted to open your ideas. Though there are a lot of words I cannot complete within a short video, but I would like to give you another video where I will come up with a new more words so for your better practice. Hope this idea is really clicked. Thank you for your watching, and please use these tricks. Okay, thank you for watching and happy learning. Happy learning. I wish you for your best band score, and I love to give you our phone number. Here it is, +91 is our international code, 700-838-2228, 700-838-2228. Fine. So this is the number, and we have our website. This is a WhatsApp number also, www.mainstayabroad.com. And my name is Darwin once again. Okay, thank you. Wish you all the best. Have a nice time.